one of the files that we need is the logout file. So let's take a look at what that's going to include. First of all, it's going to include the site login.php page. You have to begin with the session start and all that stuff that comes with that. So logout does need that. But then what it needs to stop it is just session destroy. That's all it really needs. However, it's nice if you put a login again hyperlink there, href equals the index.php. That would make life simpler so that people can log in after they've logged out. You also are going to want to take and serialize the site member. Okay, turn that into a string. Why? So then you can set a cookie called site member with that information. Now you notice the time plus 15. The reason it says time plus 15 is that's 15 seconds. That's only for testing purposes. In real life, you might want 86,400, which would be the number of seconds in a day. I didn't Google that. I'm capable of doing 60 times 60 times 24 in my head and coming up with that number. But you can do whatever. You can do 86,400 times, let's say, 7. That would be a whole week's worth of that cookie living, although you're not likely to do that. And now for something completely different, we got to talk about that index file. The index file, index.php, also includes sitelogin.php. And then, of course, if it doesn't have a get or a post, it creates an array variable equal to NA. But otherwise, if it does have a get, it sets up for every variable in the get array, it reassigns it a value in the ARR array. And of course, if it's post, same thing. And then it goes on to home page and page end. So, with that, one more thing. If there is no get and post, then $ARR is actually just going to be a string, n/a, not applicable. But if there is a get or a post, then we need to declare $ARR as an array. So that's all we need to do to complete this. We can move on to the menu. In the Office directory, we have index.php, and we see members and activities. And if we click on the members, we can see there's a home and a logout as an example. And if we choose logout, all it says is log in again right here. And that's all it does. And if I click on that within 15 seconds, the cookie will still live. If I wait more than 15 seconds, the cookie will have expired and you have to put your credentials in again.